Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3. It's a dual motor. It's a Redline Stealth as well. Does have the aerodynamic wheels on it. All the chrome accents. And it does have a tow package on it as well. There's a dual motor badging. I did notice a few little scratches here. I would imagine our buddy guys are going to take care of it, but I didn't want to mention it. I don't really notice it until you're up on it. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. It is a Tesla vegan leather interior. Black. Just have Model 3 kick plates right there, and that's the VIN right there. Go ahead and hop in. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this down so that you can hear me a little bit better. There we go. Okay, so this obviously is the navigation system. I'm just going to come down here. As well as your phone charger system, let's see, and then your stowage, here your cup holders, and additional power supply. Let's see, here's your shifter. These are also your infotainment and switches right here. So here's your volume, for instance, and such. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the infotainment center. Okay, these are your quick controls, your lights, box, display, driving, and your autopilot. You see it is set up for autopilot, but we're not going to mess with any of those settings right now. Your navigation settings, your safety and security, service, and software. So it is the Model 3, the dual motor, the Redline, the Stealth. It has 11,413 miles on it. It's yet to have a name, so you'll have to name it. It shows that it has the premium audio system, the full self-driving computer. It does have a garage door opener, the HomeLink 5. Autopilot safety features are included in this package, and standard connectivity also. Let's see, so I'll go ahead and close that up and show you the backup camera, the energy usage map, the charging. It has 128 miles left on this charge. There's your World Wide Web. It'll take you to tesla.com. And there's your entertainment for your theater and your arcade, and then you also have a toy box. So this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here on the front. It did turn out to just be cosmetics. We were able to get it all fixed up, and it has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. We are the largest Tesla reseller here in the area, so for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.